How to clear all apps cache at once on a Samsung Galaxy A56. Open setting, and under setting go to the device care. Then you can see the storage and memories. Press on memories, it's for RAM. And once you select, then you can see YouTube have on for 3 MB, Chrome have on 9, like that. Press on clean now. Now it will cleaning. And don't worry, it's not lose any of your data. So, and you can see the trash, unnecessary apps, these are totally different. But for cache, just go to this memory, then your cache will be clean. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.